What's up, Blockheads? Today in the garage working on the Harley-Davidson Sportster 48 giveaway Blockhead Bike Build Season 3. In the garage with me, we've got Wes,
Howdy.
Captain Anna,
hello,
and Aaron.
Yes.
Nailed it.
Drink of the episode, Schmermosas. Wait, no, what do we call them? Mimotas?
Mimosa cycles.
Mimosa cycles, that was it. Mimosa cycles. So they're drinking mimosas, I'm drinking a truly mango. This episode's brought to you guys in part by DK Customs. We got a whole box of goodies right here from them. This is the parts list. Bunch of the stuff that we're going to be working on installing today. Foot pegs, license plate, bracket, relocation, spark plug wires, coil and ignition relocation, a tank lift, an air cleaner, a breather system. So we're going to externally vent it. We have the beefy struts for Sportsters and Dynos. We have a velocity stack foam filter, as well as a 1.5-inch velocity stack and a Sano black aluminum gripper shift peg and heel rest. Pretty good parts list. I'll drop the link to all of those in the description down below. But that's what's all in this box. And we're just going to be having some drinks and installing it. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw, but Aaron here, he's the employee of the month for Dunder Mifflin, the Scranton branch. Good job, man. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. All right, let's get to it. Stopping point for DK Custom stuff. I think we got most everything on there from DK Custom. So got these, got the air cleaner, velocity stack air cleaner, external breather kit, ignition relocation, coil relocation, plug wires, tank lift. Now that we got all that stuff on there, now this box. You guys are gonna like this. Ooh, shit.
That's a...
Interesting. We went big with that exhaust, guys, so hope you guys are gonna enjoy this thing.
Here's a little pin.
Oh, nice. Got a motorcycle pin. Hey, that's like the bike I'm building right now. Yep. All right, so we're putting the exhaust on. Oh man, hell of a time jump there. It's a couple days later and managed to pick some things up. So, got all these things for the bike. Just to go over and show you guys what they are. Oh, also we got these. Some stuff from Rogue Rider Industries. We got them 6Z black label front turn signals that are gonna look nice. Replace that oranginess, and then the smoke lenses. We also have a lithium battery and some more exhaust gaskets, some new exhaust flange nuts, and some new foot control bolts. I'm gonna work on getting this exhaust on. So this is why I bought new exhaust flange nuts. As you guys can see, the new ones are nice and these ones are disgusting. So these wouldn't really thread on, so I don't want them to seize up and get stuck or cross thread or anything. So while I was unpackaging that stuff, Aaron showed up. So
Hello.
We got Aaron helping us out in the garage today. And what'd you bring?
Elijah Craig, some bourbon.
And we're gonna be using this present that Get Lowered sent to me. So yeah, Get Lowered sent this to me. You wanna unsheath it?
Unsheath. Here, I'll let you do the honors.
Pushing. So we're gonna go open this bourbon.
Because why not open up more random shit? Oh, I brought some
Christmas treat mix.
reindeer something, and then these are Buckeyes.
So we just gotta cut this plastic.
That was underwhelming. That's pretty much it.
Spin it. I'll hold the lid. Teamwork makes the dream work. Is it cutting? Holy shit, it's cutting.
Yeah, it is.
It's-
Oh yeah,
yep.
you got it.
Thanks, Get Lowered. Elijah Craig. Bombs up. This is awesome. God damn, boys and squirrels. She hooked up. Just gotta get the O2 sensors plugged back in. Tighten this bolt right now. Good game, ladies.
What up?
Come on. Oh yeah, Western this. All right, we got the exhaust on, plugged back in, but the battery is dead, so I bought a lithium battery, right? So removing this battery, replacing it with that one. We'll just do a battery transition. Bam, Aaron with the transition snap. So we got the lithium ion battery in there, and then basically went to turn the bike on, and the fuel pump just kept on pumping and pumping, and realized, hey, there's no gas in that tank. So here we are, basically draining the life force out of my Low Rider S to start this bike so we can hear the damn exhaust.
Like milking a calf.
Oh yeah.
Go. Give daddy a little pee-pee.
Give me a little pee-pee. Come on. A couple of drops. That's what I'm talking about!
And it's like one drop, it's like,
We did it!
completely. Okay. This is not big enough.
We got a baby fire extinguisher
Safety
just in
first,
case.
kids.
Hopefully the pump stops this time.
I got my finger on the pin. Oh, come on, come on.
Which ain't stopping.
Well, you wanna just try it anyway?